On January 4th, 2024, a man rented a vehicle from an Enterprise rent-a-car location in Key Largo, Florida. When the rental period ended, the car was never returned. Despite multiple attempts to contact him over the next 2 months, the company got no response.
So I'm reporting a car stolen. His name is Andy Santana.
Okay.
He actually booked a reservation to come in today.
Did you say Andy Santana?
Yeah.
I just saw him yesterday.
Yeah, so this is the demand letter we sent.
Where did I see him? Oh, Dollar Tree.
Right here.
Okay.
This is the FedEx timestamp that we sent it to him.
Okay.
This is the registration and all the information for the vehicle. Here's a copy of the demand letter just in case. And the affidavit with the notary and then my signature and everything.
Okay, when was he supposed to return it?
He was supposed to return it a while ago. He picked it up in January. It's a Toyota Corolla that's just been in the wind.
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw it yesterday.
Alright, so it started January 6th?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, that was the anticipated return. Was it 6th?
It was, no, it started, let me see.
On the 4th?
January 4th, he was supposed to return it on the 6th, but he kept extending, but
Okay.
this is just the contract that they have printed out and then sent.
Okay, so he was extending. When did he stop extending?
As of the 8th, we did it as of the 8th. We penned it as of the 12th. He only made one form of payment when he picked up.
And that was on the 12th?
Yep, and that it was converted on the 12th of January.
January.
He hasn't made any payment since. He doesn't pick up the phone, answer emails, or anything.
Okay.
And it's already March.
All right.
Deputies later located the car, a 2023 Toyota Corolla, parked nearby. The driver was still inside and was identified as Andy Santana.
Copy, 1305.
Second 114. I'm out with the subject. The vehicle's on scene. Mr. Santana, need you to step out of the vehicle, sir? Can you step out?
You want me to do what?
I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir.
For what?
I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir. Can I talk to you for a second? I can't hear you.
Heavy traffic stop being parked at mobile casing.
Copy, 1305.
Can you roll down the window, sir? Second 114. Subject's refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Copy, 1305.
I need you to get out of the car, sir. Can you open the door? Told you. Mr. Santana, we need to talk to you. Can you please step out of the vehicle?
The rental car called us about the rental car. You got to get out and talk to us. You got to step out and talk to us. No, you can step out of the car. You got a baton?
Yeah, but I got a window bar. I mean, I got the breaker. You want me to get that?
No, I don't have
You want me to get the breaker?
one. Sure.
All right.
They want to report this car stolen. You haven't paid for it since January. Get out of the car. Yes, get out of the car. All right, we're gonna remove you from the car one way or the other. You got it?
Yeah. Sir,
Grab it. Just grab it.
we just need to get the car. That's it. That's it.
So? Okay. Just don't put your hands on top of me.
All right, just step out.
I'm gonna step out. Do not put your hands on top of me. All right? I'm tired of you guys' lies here. You guys have been lying way too much. All right, you have your cameras on?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
All right, I want to speak to your cameras. Do not touch me.
Okay.
All right? Let me speak to your camera straight
You
up
want to
and
tell
down.
us your side of the story?
Yeah,
first?
I'm going to tell you the side of the story. So
Okay.
before you
Well,
even,
we'll
don't
gladly
touch me.
listen to it. That's fine. Just
Okay,
step out.
just
That's
don't
fine.
touch me.
Okay. What's going on?
What's happening here is, my man, is that these guys have been running a scam with a phone in this town. Okay, that's number one.
What do you mean the phone?
No, listen to me, my man. Listen to me. You put me through the court system with Judge Hamilton with the same shit with the U-Haul story. All right, they've been bullshitting a driver's license. They've been bullshitting the scam inside of that story. All right, I have it all on tape. I got all the proof of that. They dismissed the case with that story too. All right? You want me to go over to the rental car place? We can talk over there.
Okay, so they called us.
Okay,
right?
they called, but they see me every single day. Even the men in the rental car place see me every day.
You've gone into that store every day.
Every day they see me passing the
But
store.
you have gone into the store
and
talked
spoke to
them.
the woman and the Spanish girl there too. So if you want to follow me over there and let them tell me that to my face, then you can put that on camera too.
Okay. You rented the car in January, right?
Rented the car in January.
Okay. Have you?
All I'm going to say is this. All I want to say is whatever civil matter they want to deal with inside of a courtroom with me, they can deal with that civil matter in the courtroom.
Okay.
That's all I have
The
to
rental
say.
company has reported the car stolen.
It can't
Okay.
be stolen if I'm in front of them every single day, my man, and I'm here every day inside of all of your police.
Okay.
All
well,
right?
They took
And you-
all the actions they could to try to reach out to you. They sent certified letters to
No,
your
they
address
didn't
on your
send.
driver's
No,
license?
they didn't send certified nothing because every night I sleep right next to the other vehicle. No,
Okay,
every night
so you
I
don't
sleep.
live at the address of the where you gave.
That address, they don't forget the address.
Okay.
All right, you can't tell me that story no more because I've
And they
been.
said they've been trying to call you too.
No, my man, the phone. They just changed this fucking phone. All right, the reality
So
of
you don't have the same number as when you rented
No,
the car.
I've had the same number the whole time. Okay, I have the same number the whole time. What I want for you guys to understand is this. All right, these guys have been running a scam the whole time. I've been inside, right next to where the Paradise Bonds is.
How many times has he paid since he rented in January?
He only paid the one time.
The initial rental fee, and that's it.
He was gonna extend it, and then after the 12th, he didn't had to pay. You haven't paid anything since the 12th of January.
All I'm saying is take me to the man over there, or you want to drive the vehicle over there, whatever you guys want to do, and I can go in the back of your squad car over there. Whatever it takes. I'm not getting no handcuffs
wanna
put
do
on
that?
top of me. I
Well,
don't want to listen to
Listen,
nothing.
if we put you in the car for our safety, you're going to be in handcuffs. Doesn't
No,
mean
I'm
you're
not.
under
No,
arrest.
I'm not going to be in handcuffs. I'm not going to let you people touch me no more. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't want to fight with nobody. You guys have been running a scam in this town for too long.
You said you talked to somebody over there, right?
I talked to the Spanish girl there the whole
Spanish girl
time.
when?
Not even fucking 5 days ago.
Okay. And you told her, hey, I got the car, everything's good, and she said everything's good?
No, she sees me all the time. I just said, look, hey, I'm right here. This is where I'm at all the time,
Okay.
and that was it.
Okay.
Nothing more. So you can use that on tape too, and you can bring the Spanish girl there too. I'm not going to keep on listening to this scam. If every night I stay right next to my other vehicle.
So this is the deal. With the rental car, once you rent a car,
No, I'm not going to listen. You did the same thing with the U-Haul. You put me through a court for 15 months. You
you
dismissed.
rented a U-Haul and didn't pay for it, or what?
No, the same shit you guys did here. 15 months you put me through a courtroom for a U-Haul truck. You beat me down with the police too. All right, and then you dismiss the case too. And you're sitting here running fabricated licenses that are on tape too. It's on my cell phone. I spoke to the judge, and I spoke to her right and clear to her face, and to the lawyers too.
All right. Well,
You're running fabricated licenses too.
15, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Just put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not letting you touch me. I'm not letting you.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna tase you.
Don't touch
Put
me.
your hands behind your
Don't
back. I'm
touch
gonna
me.
tase you.
Don't
Put
touch
your
me.
hands behind your
Don't
back.
touch me. Don't touch
Your
me.
hands behind your
Don't
back
touch
now.
me. Don't
Like I'm
touch me.
tasing.
I swear to God, if you taste me,
On the ground. On the ground. So I want to force hands behind your back.
oh, he's dead. You killed him.
Start right there. Hands behind your back now.
I swear to God.
Hands behind your back.
I swear to God.
Hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your. I'm gonna tase you again. I'm gonna tase you again. Hands behind your back. I'm gonna tase you again. Hands behind your back now. Put them behind your back.
move my hands.
Put your hands behind your back.
I can't move my hands.
Yes, you can. Put it behind your back now. Move your arm. I'm going to tase you again.
I can't
Put it behind your back.
I can't move my hands. You guys did this to me. You did this to me. You did this to me. You did this to me. I didn't do this to you. You guys lied to me. You lied to me. And I swear.
I don't think they're in him.
I swear.
What?
I don't think they're in him. They're right here.
I swear.
And then hold on. Don't yank. Knife.
Could have made this a lot easier if you didn't do that.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Resisted. We told you to
I
stop.
didn't resist
We told
nothing.
you to put your hands behind your back. And
I didn't resist nothing. You guys are liars. You're lying. You fucking lying, bro. You lying, bro. You lying. You lying, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Eddie, come on. Roll on your back.
Yeah, sit him up.
We want to get you off the pavement, please. Let's roll over, please.
I swear to God.
Sit up.
I swear to God.
Lean him against the car if we can. All right. Pick him up.
I swear to God.
Go ahead, sir.
I swear to God.
You want to stand or you want to just set him in your car?
Yeah, bring him in the car.
All right. I mean, Rescue's got to look at him anyway. Come on, Andy. Make it easy for us, bud.
I didn't do nothing to you. I swear to you, man, I'm gonna sue these people for all of this shit you did to me. I swear to you, I'm gonna make it, boy. I swear to God.
Come on, Andy.
Have a seat.
Please, make it easy for us.
I didn't do nothing to you people. I swear to God.
Come on, Andy.
I swear to you, bro.
Watch your head, please.
Sit down.
I swear to you. I swear to you. I didn't do nothing to you.
Let me go to the other side of him.
I didn't do nothing.
Prop him up.
I didn't do this shit, man. I didn't do this.
We're going to put him on rescue anyway.
Andy, say something.
Good.
We got an ambulance on the way, all right, Andy?
We'll get you on the ambulance, okay?
Get you going.
This could have all been avoided, man. Try to set him up. Grab one side, grab the other.
No, he's fine. He's just spitting.
Shaking. He's all right.
He's in the recovery position. He's fine. He's fine. Andy, would you like to get off the pavement?
You want to sit up and get your head off the pavement? It's hot. You want me to sit you up? Come on, sit up, man. This could have been avoided, dude. All you had to do was just let us deal with this. Could have been done a lot easier, man. You can lean against right here. You can lean against my leg, okay? Then you can use the tire too if you want.
This could have been avoided. It's a lot easier for you.
Yeah, I'm just saying, if you wouldn't have done what you did, this would have been a lot easier.
Now, I'm doing what I did.
Okay, then that's fine.
That's what you're going to say to me now?
You want to get inside the car? What are you doing? Can you just check with rescue to see if they have an ETA?
Look what's going on in this place in your town. All right? Your name is Officer Farr, right?
Yes, sir.
You was inside Panakees Park for all of that time with me in there. All of your police sit here blinking lights at people. You pretend like all of the people are your friends. And in addition to that, you guys have been running a fabricated license through your court system and running fabricated citations since 2019 inside of your courtroom. Since 2019, you've been running these fabrications. You pull people over, you write these citations, you run them through the court system. You run bailiff on top of them, you split them in and outside of the courtrooms through bail. You take the bail money from percentages from people. You never care to understand what you're writing. All of this is unjustifiable work that you guys have been doing in this town. All right, you know it. You ran me 15 months through a court system so you can dismiss the case too. This is what you guys do. And you know you've been doing it the whole time. And the whole time I've been telling you guys you've been running this fabricated story since Madison to here, and I've never left your town the whole time I've been here. The whole time I've been with you guys every single night. And I sleep right next to the vehicle, right next to the Paradise Bondsman place every night.
Put it in a bag or something, I guess. Yeah, I got a garbage bag here. You want to stand here?
Okay?
Okay, I got it. Can I put my camera back on?
No, what I'm saying to you is that you don't see anything wrong with that.
Andy.
Do you see anything wrong with that? Do you see that you can do that?
I don't, first of all, I don't know what you're talking about. I just wake
How
up.
is it that you don't know what I'm talking about? You selling fabricated licenses.
I don't sell anything.
Well, you're writing citations to them and they're being told to you in front of Judge Hamilton.
What
inside
citation?
all the citations you wrote. The ones you wrote inside of Pennykeys Park.
I don't
the
write
ones,
inside
no,
Pennykeys.
the ones you wrote every time you pull somebody over.
How is that fabricated? I don't make those.
No, it doesn't matter whether you make them or not. And don't try to call her somebody how to speak. You put them through a court system for 15 months. It was told to the attorney, it was told to the attorney generals, this is what you guys have been doing the whole time.
Saying all cops do that?
All of you guys pulling people over, you write these things up, you pretend like it doesn't exist, you put it on paperwork, you sign off on it, the bailsmen sign off on it, you put the money in your pockets at percentage rates, you put people outside back on the street, and that's what you do time and time again.
Why don't you tell me, okay, instead of stuff that I don't know what you're talking about, okay, why don't you tell me about this rental car?
I don't need to tell you nothing more. There's nothing really more to say. You want to talk about things, you should start talking about where you violate people's constitutional rights.
This ain't my case, so...
It doesn't matter whose case it is. You sit there every single day running someone's plates through the system, running people's IDs through them, you card people up, you know it. You run DMV assessments on one vehicle versus the next vehicle, and you know you're doing it all unjustifiably. And when it's told to you inside of a courtroom, that is what you do. Now, can I have my phone?
I'll put it inside on the seat. We'll make sure it goes with you. Okay? One taser deployment. The prongs are already out.
Okay.
He's got a couple scrapes.
Okay.
Probably just load him up with you, and one of us will follow.
Okay.
And you guys can assess him on the way. And
as far
he's
as
going to have to get medical clearance anyway.
Yeah. As far as the handcuffs go,
He's in custody.
can you handcuff him to the stretcher? Because I can't have him like.
He's going to have to sit because he's already fought us once. That's why he's...
Okay.
No, I didn't fight nobody. You fought me. Because I told you, I gave you options. I told you could have drove me to the place.
They already resisted once.
No, there's no resisting. You took me through a court system and fabricated paperwork and dismissed the case.
The name and date of birth.
You guys start checking them out, just get them off.
We'll get him.
Andy, I'm going to help you get up, okay? So we're going to help you get up, stand, walk, whatever you need.
I'll grab the stretcher.
If you want, that'll be easier. Just hang out for a second, real quick, Andy. They're just going to roll you on the stretcher.
Yeah, we're gonna get you on the stretcher and we're gonna check you out, okay? We're gonna put some stickers on your chest to make sure your heart, you're not having any heart problems. Are you in any pain right now?
Did you grab his phone? Okay.
My name is Anthony. I'm one of the paramedics that's gonna transport you, okay? What's your name?
My name is Andy.
Your name's Anthony?
Andy Santana.
Andy Santana? Okay. Okay.
Look what I want to do here, man. I want to put this on camera too. You mind if I grab my plastic bag that's inside of my pocket?
Your plastic bag? Go ahead.
All right, do you have a knife there you can cut it open? Because you got me tied up here. I want to put this on camera so you guys know exactly what you guys are doing wrong.
He was charged with grand theft of a motor vehicle, resisting arrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.